This is question number 13 on the November 2013 higher calculator paper. This question says Axel and Leithner are driving along a motorway. They see a road sign. The road sign shows the distance to junction 8. It also shows the average time drivers will take to get to junction 8. And it says 30 miles to junction 8, and it takes 26 minutes to get to junction 8. The speed limit on the motorway is 70 miles per hour. Leithner says we will have to drive faster than the speed limit to go 30 miles in 26 minutes. Is Leithner right? You must show your working for your answer, and also you need to note that this question is a starred question, so they're going to give you marks for quality of written creation, the presentation of your answer, and making sure that you actually state everything that you're doing and enough to get the answer. Now what we need to do is to see how far they're going to travel in 26 minutes, because she says we will have to drive faster than the speed limit to go 30 miles in 26 minutes. Well, if I look at the speed limit of 70 miles per hour and find out how long it takes me to travel 30 miles, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, let's say the speed is equal to 70 miles per hour, and the distance that I want to travel is 30 miles. How long is that going to take me? Now, you need to know this equation. Speed is equal to distance over time. Now, you might have done this in science, but it's the speed, distance, time triangle. If you wanted to work out speed, it's distance over time. If you want to work out time, it's distance divided by speed. And that's what we want to do. We want to work out the time it takes to travel a distance of 30 miles. So what I need to do is work out the time, distance divided by speed. The distance is 30 miles, the speed is 70, and to work that forward, let's do this. 30 divided by 70 equals 0.4285. So 0.4285 dot. Okay, now that is the time in hours. That's that many hours that it will take. I need to change that into minutes because I need to find out whether that time is more or less than 26 minutes, because that's how much the sign on the motorway said it would take. So I'm going to do, I don't need to type in the whole thing because I just need to have an idea of how long it takes. 0.4287 times that by, now if I just indicate that here, 0.4287 hours. To change hours to minutes, you times by 60. So I'm going to do that, times 60 equals, that's 25.7 minutes. What's this telling me is that in 25.7 minutes they would have driven 30 miles. So when she says we will have to drive faster than the speed limit to go 30 miles in 26 minutes, she's actually wrong. So the question says, is Leithner right? You must show how you got your answer. Well, I'm going to compare that to 26 minutes, and that's less than 26 minutes. So I'm going to say, no, she is wrong, because at 70 miles per hour, it takes 25.7 minutes to travel 30 miles. And that's about it. That's pretty much all you need to be able to answer this question completely. This is a pretty straightforward question. There are loads of other ways in which you could actually do this. Make sure you're happy with whatever method you've actually settled on, but as long as you can explain your answer, you can show all your work in, you can set it out clearly, and you're happy with what you've got.